How to install NewsNation app. So there is a separate app. They had a website, but now they seems also have an app. It just has very few ratings. And this is the place where you could just watch debates, and you can watch some channels, stream some channels. I don't know like what is this news network, but it's getting some traction, some budget, especially more on the like right side of political spectrum. So yeah, unbiased news begins with NewsNation. We are a fact-based network that's focused on bringing you the stories of our local communities, which impacts us across the nation. Our network features the in-depth reporting power on Nexstar Media, 5,400 journalists in 110 local newsrooms across the country. So then, yeah, you can just open up the app, and then you can allow notifications. You can allow to track, and then you can just see home. You can see all the news. You can also see weather. You can listen. Then it's sometimes I don't know why it exits. Uh, so yeah, that's the app. Very simple. It doesn't have that many rating. It's not that huge yet, but it has some specific shows, around politics and US. So yeah, I just didn't know that there was a specific app. So it's good. So you can select TV provider because I thought it's only on the website. And then yeah, you can just see all of the details here. If you plan to watch it from iPhone, then just definitely use the app.